Hello, Melissa Giles, Crazy Imagination Travel. It's day 2 on the beautiful island of Castaway Cay. We're going off the ship right now. We're ready to disembark. I have my phone app ready and we are in the virtual queue line and we got a notification that it's our time to go. So let's see what that's all about. There's not a very long line right now and it is 10:15. I think the first guest off was at 8:30. So we had our coffee, we had some breakfast, and now we're ready to hit the island. So let's go. All right, so we're getting off the ship. There's no lines here at security. And we're just gonna tap our key to the world card and our cast members are gonna help us off. So that's gonna be super awesome. No worries. Time for some fun. Woohoo! Day 2, Castaway Cay. This time we're gonna walk. We're gonna walk all the way. We're not gonna take the tram because I wanna make sure we see all the characters. So that sounds super fun. The beautiful Disney dream. Let's go to our cabana. Woohoo! I'm excited. Oh, it's Jack Sparrow again. How cool. Awesome. Of course.
There's lots to be found, so keep your eyes open, mate. But all treasure found on Captain Jack's key does belong to Captain Jack. So just bring it this way for me. Just that way.
All right, our tram stop is here, but we're going to opt to walk today. So yesterday when we were on the tram going to our cabana, which was awesome, we saw lots of characters on the walkway. So we're gonna try and see if we can see characters this time and do something different since this is our second stop. So this will be great. Yep, so here we are. We're gonna be walking along the walkway and the beautiful Disney dream is behind me. So let's go. I see a handy dandy 7-minute walk to Scuttles Cove and Castaway Cay Family Beach. And since we're not doing the 5K today, this will be great. So we can get a little bit of exercise in before our yummy cookies lunch. Here is the bridge. Welcome to Castaway Cay. Woohoo! We're here day 2. All right, can't wait. The weather's beautiful. Hey Goofy, what's up? Are you winning? Oh, you're surfing. Yay! It's good to see you. Yeah, I gotta have the hat. The sun is really bright today. Yep, lots of sunscreen. It's so good to be back. Oh, love you too. Bye, Goofy. Hello, Chip. Hello. Oh, you're Dale. Hello, Chip and Dale. How are you? It's so good to see you. Going swimming today? That's awesome. I like your Castaway Cay swimsuits. That's awesome. Oh, you're going to dig in the sand. Oh. That's awesome. Oh, mermaids. Ariel's my favorite. Show me that. How nice. Well, you guys are talented. Look at that. Hey! You guys, oh, you turned around too. Who are we? Who are we? Who are we? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chip and Dale! Okay, wait. So the chocolate chip. That's right. Oh, in between the teeth. I didn't know that one. Well, you guys have a magical day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye. All right, here are all of our watercrafts for our guests to rent. You can pre-rent on your Disney cruise line app, which is the easiest thing to do, but as you can see, there's lots of space available, so super fun. Our guests are out doing the paddle boats and lots of fun to be had. Here's Mount Rushmore. Great place to take a family shot. Love it. Let's take a family shot, honey.
Okay.
Here we are. Hello. Mount Rushmore. Hello. Smile for the camera. All right, you need to know where you're going. Here's your island map. Very cool. Let's check out our family beach. Because we're limited capacity, there is lots of space to be had around here. It's about 11 o'clock, so you can still very much find a place to sit and enjoy your day on the beach. So awesome. Want some flippers and floats? This is where you pick them up. If you have a prepaid ticket, you head to the right, and if you want walk-up rentals, you go to the left. Super awesome. Bike rentals right over here. And we are gonna go check in for our cabana. All right, super excited.
Unless you want to.
All right, let's check in for our cabana. Hello, hello. How are you? We are here to check in for our cabana, please.
Which cabana number?
I believe we're number 12 today. 11 today. We were 10 yesterday.
Melissa and Jeffrey?
That's us.
Okay. Follow this gentleman, he'll take you right to cabana.
Absolutely. And my husband forgot his band. Can you help us with that?
The lady over there in the cabana.
Uh-huh. Perfect. That sounds great. Thank you. Okay, let's go. All right, here's our cabana taxi. We're gonna get on the taxi and we are going to go to our cabana. Woohoo!
What's in the back?
No,
11.
we're number 11 today. Yay! Okay, cool. Number 2, number 3.
You get a sign where it says
Cabana taxi, yeah, that's new. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and number 11. Hooray! Awesome. Thank you very much. Cabana taxi. Thank you. All right, so going on in. All right, let's go on in.
Hey, Danny.
Hi, Nanny.
See ya.
Very cool. All right, cabana number 11.